with Nick Stubbs. Go check him out on Instagram, and he's going to be he's an absolute unit, an absolute powerhouse. He's going to be putting me through a workout. We're here in London at Muscleworks. I have no idea what we're going to be doing, but he's getting my pre-workout, and I'm going to get going.
So, like I said before, check out Nick Stubbs. He's an absolute beast. And we're going to be doing, what we're doing today, we're doing a chest workout and...
You're going to do a bit of chest, try to do, I like high volume.
Yeah. High
volume, I think that's the way, hypertrophy is the way that I'm physically myself.
Yeah. So, I think one of the things that I'm going to talk about in this video is, as I'm going through the workout, is like de-stressing. So knowing when to like have a break off of social media, away from your business, and getting into like a mindset, a space of sort of, you know, like training obviously like releases endorphins and gets your head right. And I'm a big believer in, you know, if your body's strong, your mind is strong. So, and for me, it's so important now going forward that I take breaks and focus on training sessions like this with Nick. This is why it's so important. Like whatever you're doing, if you're in property business, a YouTuber, you stop and get a workout in. You know, staying in shape is such a huge part to like mental strength and physical, pushing yourself in business. I mean, Nick's an absolute beast here, and you've got to surround yourself with these people. It's constant inspiration, you know, like it's like a driving force. So one of the bonuses is like meeting Nick on Instagram. Is already we're talking about how can I help Nick, how can Nick help me. And this is like the real version of networking. It's all right going to an event and trying to work out who's in the suit, who's important, who's not. But when you actually come in here, the nitty gritty, you're putting in some work, and then you're talking about things where we might be able to help each other. So this is my version of networking. So this is what I like. Yeah. I know this video is like totally different to my normal like personal finance investment, but do you know what? It's good fun. This is my passion. And when you're training with a big guy like Nick, like I say, I'll put his hashtag up in the video. Go check him out. He's an absolute beast, and he's putting me through it today, so I'm loving it. Look, LinkedIn, we're now switching conversation to LinkedIn, but it literally is CEOs, chairmen, directors, Dubai, London, Hong Kong, on one platform. It's not Instagram where someone has 20, 30K. We're talking not last week, 2 weeks ago, met someone off of LinkedIn, Aaron, blah, 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 this is my requirement, I know what you do, been following you, blah, blah, blah. Met him, guy's got £2 million sitting in an account. So, and that's only one case. I could honestly show you DMs that I've had from 2015 to now of where people have said, I've got this amount. It's all right saying that. I get to the stage where you need to show me, but honestly, it's so much money. And that was why one of my videos was your earning power is to do with your network. Because look, if everyone here has got 5K, me and you, we can earn a portion of this 5K from everyone, which might make up 200 grand. We can earn a portion of 200 grand. If everyone here had £1 million and now there's 40 million pounds, we can earn a portion of that 40 million pounds. We just need to go around going, what is it you need? Right, I'm looking for this. Right, I'm going to find that. Cheers. What do you need? I'm going to find that. Right, I'm going to charge you 5%. I'm going to charge you 6% of a total of 40 million. Do you see what I mean? Been a busy day, and to change up the footage, we've done a workout. I'm trying to keep up with Nick, you know, size difference, absolute powerhouse. But the point of this video is basically, most recently, I've sort of stopped and starting to reflect really on the importance of actually coming away from social media and checking in with reality and like mental health, physical health, proper networking. Like we were just saying in the gym, and as you're probably going to see, is that this is like the real version of sort of networking. You know, it's all right to go in a suit, surround yourself with other people in a room, but actually getting down nitty gritty of, well, working on physical health. I know Nick, you're huge into that, like just everything, which plays a huge part into business. That if you're physically and mentally healthy, it can really drive you forward. I mean, so Nick, anything you want to share? I'm going to put all your tags in the video.
Yeah, no, definitely. Like I said, me and Aaron met on Instagram. We've kind of like clicked. It's all about networking, and we share like similar likes. We like training. We've got kids, we've got family, and that's what you want to resonate with people. And like I said, everything is, for me, health is priority. If you can't look after yourself and your mind and your soul, your body, you're never going to be able to look after your family and your loved ones. So today's been a great session at Muscleworks, and hopefully we're going to be able to do this again very soon.
Yeah, awesome. And it's just about stopping, and actually, I don't think the whole point of this video is actually, for me personally recently, is to stop and reflect and rebalance your life. And I think the key thing here is actually something I'm going to be talking about with my group, my accountability group, is 3 R's, and that was routine, reflect, and it was something else. There was another R, I can't remember what it was, but it's actually just stopping and actually going, do you know what? I'm doing all right,
yeah.
And look after myself. And it's kind of like a recheck-in. And this gym was awesome. Like, we really got into a hard workout. We had some great conversation, and hopefully it changes it up, a bit different from the personal finance investment. But me and Nick are going to do this again. Great guy, and we're going to get back at Muscleworks in London. So Nick, cheers for the workout, and we'll meet up soon.